Hello everyone, this is Paukšte Fashion Workshop. I remind you that we post new videos every day. I promised to show you some clothes we are going to sew for Inga. We've already showed you the jacquard coat we made for her. Today we want to show you this silver dress. This is just the first fitting of this dress. What is interesting about it is that on the contrary to some complicated designs, this dress is very simple. There are just two seams in this dress. I think that we are going to move this one a bit lower. I also think that the cord should be inserted in the dress. Notice how the dress looks like when I tie the cord. It makes small folds here, and it makes the dress look very light. I want to ask people of big sizes not to wear close-fitting clothes. You don't need to tell us that we are fat. We know that we are not small. Turn around, please. When we insert the cord inside, the back will look much better. As I've already said, there is nothing complicated in this dress. There are just two seams in it. The flounce is so beautiful because we used twice longer piece of fabric for making it. We pinned the bottom to see how long the dress should be. This part will be slightly gathered with the cord. The front will be a bit shorter than the back. You can easily make this dress on the basis of a basic pattern. You need to make just two seams. Pull a cord in the first one and attach a flounce to the second one. That's it. The design is very simple. The dress will be lined. The front will be a bit shorter than the back. There will be a piece of lace attached to the front. The lace will be gathered together with the dress itself. There will be no lace on the back. We will also decorate the sleeves with the lace. It will be stitched this way. Just imagine how gorgeous will this dress be. The dress will make Inga look much slimmer. The flounce on the hips not only looks amazing, but also makes Inga look slimmer. The cord on the waist is also in the right place. Inga, turn around, please. I remind you that this is just the first fitting. When the dress is ready, it will look absolutely gorgeous. Of course, Inga is going to wear this dress with different pair of shoes. The dress is very beautiful. It won't be hard to find a matching pair of shoes for it. This is the first fitting of the dress. The sleeve is pretty loose, and it's a bit gathered here. It's just the sleeve head that is gathered. The back will be also gathered a bit. Just imagine how gorgeous will this dress be. Next, I will show you a review of a finished dress. As I've already said, there is nothing complicated in it. Make two seams, insert a cord in the first, and attach a flounce to the second one. That's it. It's up to you whether to attach lace or not. You can decorate this dress differently. Or you can leave it the way it is. You can also decorate it with chiffon or net. Use your imagination. I'm not going to show you how to make this dress because it's very simple. Did you like the fitting? What do you think of this dress? That's all for today. Be different and beautiful. We are Paukšte Irina and Inga. Subscribe to my channel, write comments, share videos, press a like and the bell buttons. I really need your support. Thank you. Goodbye.